Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic that's going to change the game for your finances. We're going to discuss how you can start investing like a millionaire right from your 20s. Sounds exciting, right? Alright, so let's break it down into simple steps that you can follow. If you're in your 20s, this is the perfect time to start building your wealth. 1. Setting financial goals. Knowing where you're headed is the first critical step in your journey to financial success. What are your financial dreams and aspirations? Take a moment to envision your future. Do you dream of buying your dream house, exploring the world's most exotic destinations, or perhaps retiring early to enjoy a life of leisure? It's all possible. To make these dreams a reality, you must start by defining your goals. Be specific in setting your financial targets. The more precise you are, the easier it becomes to formulate a clear and actionable plan. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, funding that dream vacation, or building a retirement nest egg, having well-defined goals provides you with direction and motivation. However, goals alone won't get you there. You need a strategic financial plan, and that's where budgeting comes into play. Create a budget that meticulously tracks your income and expenses. This financial roadmap will help you manage your money effectively, ensure that you're saving consistently, and create the financial foundation needed to turn your dreams into reality. So dream big, set clear goals, and budget wisely. Your financial future is in your hands. 2. Build a solid financial foundation. Absolutely. You can't construct a solid mansion on an unstable foundation. Likewise, in your financial journey, it's crucial to lay a stable groundwork to ensure your wealth-building efforts are on solid footing. To begin, consider establishing an emergency fund. This financial safety net should ideally cover 6 months' worth of living expenses. Life can throw unexpected challenges our way, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or urgent home repairs. Having this cushion allows you to weather these storms without jeopardizing your long-term financial goals. Equally important is tackling high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off debts like credit cards, which can have a significant negative impact on your financial health. The more debt you can eliminate, the more funds you'll have available for investing and building your wealth. Reducing your financial liabilities not only provides peace of mind, but also frees up more money to channel into your investment endeavors, putting you on a faster track towards financial success. 3. Understand investment basics. Before taking the plunge into the world of investments, it's vital to equip yourself with knowledge and self-awareness. Understanding what you're getting into can make a world of difference in your financial journey. Start by learning about different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Each of these has its unique characteristics, risks, and potential rewards. Understanding how they work and the level of risk associated with each is crucial. It allows you to make informed decisions and tailor your investment strategy to align with your financial goals. Additionally, assess your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with embracing more risks in pursuit of potentially higher rewards, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Your risk tolerance is a personal preference that should align with your financial objectives and your ability to weather market fluctuations. Knowing your comfort level with risk enables you to select investments that suit your individual circumstances, helping you make sound investment choices and manage your portfolio effectively. 4. Start investing early. This is where the magic happens. First and foremost, consider opening a retirement account like a 401k or an IRA. Starting early in your 20s is a game changer. Why? Because it allows your money to compound significantly over time, thanks to the power of compounding interest. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow, making it a vital step in securing a comfortable retirement. Additionally, think about implementing a dollar-cost averaging strategy. This involves investing a fixed amount regularly, which helps you navigate market volatility with ease. By consistently investing, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, effectively lowering your average cost per share over time. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. It's an old saying, but it's true. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk and optimizing your returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This strategy significantly reduces the risk of losing everything if a particular asset class underperforms, ensuring a more stable and balanced portfolio. Remember to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to make sure it's in line with your goals and risk tolerance. 6. Keep educating yourself. The journey to financial success is a continuous one. It's a path that never truly ends because the world of finance and investment is always evolving. To stay ahead and ensure your financial health, it's essential to commit to lifelong learning. One way to keep growing and expanding your financial knowledge is through reading. Invest your time in books about investing, personal finance, and economics. Books can offer deep insights, strategies, and expert opinions, allowing you to make informed decisions in the ever-changing financial landscape. Another valuable resource is online courses. These offer the flexibility to learn at your own pace and keep you up to date with the latest investment trends. Online courses often cover a wide range of topics, from basic investment principles to advanced trading strategies, giving you the skills and knowledge you need to adapt and thrive in the financial world. So there you have it, the step-by-step guide on how to invest like a millionaire in your 20s. Remember, investing is a long game. The earlier you start, the better. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.